Today, the craft of woodwork is a vanishing skill in Singapore. The treatment of wood to make everyday objects like furniture was prevalent in the early years of Singapore. Specialized craftsmen, known as carpenters, follow in the tradition of working with one's hands. Combining strength and skill, carpenters cut, carve, and varnish wood to impeccable quality. However, this craftsmanship is slowly being replaced by mass production. As woodwork gives way to new materials and machinery, the craft of woodwork is vanishing.
In the past, most furniture makers made furniture pieces by traditional furniture making methods. They made an assortment of household furniture, restoring and repairing old furniture pieces. Furniture making was traditionally a family trade that was passed on from one generation to the next. The shops were mainly located along Nell Road, Blair Road, Lloyd Road, Lorong Mambong and High Street. However, by the 1980s, the number of furniture shops had dwindled, as most local carpenters are getting on in age. Furthermore, not many youths are willing to acquire this skill.
以前的木工是全部用手工做的啦，现在木工是编织的，用模型用捏钉来钉去的，不耐久的啦。以前全部是用 join 的doctor join all this thing 很耐 ，very strong， 可以耐几代。现在2年3年就可以丢掉了，不一样的，差别就在这边
Mr. Tay is not the only craftsman who is affected by the commercialization of woodworking industry. Over time, the number of traditional furniture makers winding up their businesses increases as the demand for woodworks slowly declines. Sales plummet to a new low as consumers turn to large discount retailers that offer affordability and practicality through the mass production of furniture. While the craft of woodwork may be vanishing, the quality works of Mr. Tay and the likes of him will be passed on from one generation to the next.